Hi everybody, how are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Are you happy? I hope so. Welcome to lesson 3. The vowel sound. S, F, ah. Short vowel sound. S, best, best. Do your best. Healthy, healthy. I am healthy. Get, get. Can I get you a Rick? Can I get you a Rick? Headset, headset. I'm wearing my headset. I'm wearing my headset. Weather, weather. Let's get together when the weather is better. Let's get together when the weather is better. Welcome, welcome, welcome back to my life. Welcome back to my life. Long vowel sound. Ah, ah. Apple, apple. I like apple. Cat, cat. I have a cat. Understand, understand. I understand. Do you understand? Handsome, handsome. Is he handsome? Is he handsome? Glad, glad. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. Laugh, laugh. Don't laugh at me. Don't laugh at me. Because it's my favorite food. Food is necessary in the life. I like many different kinds of food. Let me tell you a little about my favorite. My favorite vegetable is lettuce. I don't like carrots. Mangoes are favorite fruit. They are sweet, juicy, and delicious. And my favorite meat is chicken. And I always have chicken for dinner. Thank you for watching. Bye bye for now.